Hello, dear learners. I hope you all are doing well. Are you all ready for your next English class? Today we are going to begin a poem. Children, I'm sure you must have seen a lot of birds chirping around your house. Yes, so today the poem that we are going to begin is Bird Talk. This poem is about two birds, Robin and Jay. This poem is about the conversation that Robin and Jay have about how funny they find people to be. Let's read the poem and enjoy the bird talk. Bird Talk, written by Eileen Fisher. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So this is how you have to recite the poem. Now let's move on to the explanation. Robin and Jay are two types of birds. This is Robin and this is Jay. So these two birds, as you can see, are sitting on branches of trees. And they are talking about everything that they see around. So children, like we see birds and animals around us, similarly these birds can see human beings around them. So they are thinking and they are wondering and they are talking to each other while they are sitting in a garden. They are talking that have they ever thought about how people are, how they grow? They don't have feathers like the birds do. They don't eat beetles. Beetles are small insects. They are colorful. So human beings don't eat beetles. They don't have wings. And to their surprise, they don't like to sit on wires and things, just like the birds do. So the birds are saying that they feel that human beings are funny. Why do the birds find human beings funny? Because they are not like the birds are. Children, whenever you have come across something that is not like you, you have found it to be very funny. So, according to Robin and Jay in this poem, people around them are really funny. Isn't that a lovely poem, children? Yes, it is. This poem doesn't have too many difficult words though, but you all must practice recitation really well. Thank you so much for watching, children. I hope you have understood this poem really well. Get back to me in case you have any doubts. I'll see you in the next video, children. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.